Grabe! I literally just uploaded my Love It review video about 3 weeks ago. And here I am again talking about them. Masyadong mabilis ang ganap. And Love It is definitely moving fast.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and I upload videos about personal finance, work from home stuff, and also snippets into my daily life. And just a quick disclosure lamang po, I am not a professional financial advisor and the content that I share in this video ay base lamang sa aking personal experiences, opinion, and for educational purposes only.
Sa mga hindi pa alam kung ano si Love It by JunaHand, kapatid po siya ni OneHand. Both apps are actually operated by WeFund Lending and they're both regulated by SEC. So, Love It by JunaHand, think of it as your digital credit partner. It's a buy now pay later app na nagbibigay sa iyo ng credit line para makabili ka ng mga kailangan mo kahit wala ka pang cash on hand. Love It is basically your new go-to buy now pay later and credit line app. Pwede mo siyang ikumpara kay Atome at saka kay Salmon Credit na nagbibigay sa iyo ng credit line so you can shop and pay in installments. And it has been gaining a lot of traction lately because ang daming na-approve sa kanya, in fairness naman dito kay Love It, and napaka-smooth lang din yung interface niya. Now, let's talk about the Love It basics. Why it's a game changer. Kagaya ni Atome, Love It also promises a credit line of up to 200,000 pesos. And yun sa akin, na-approve nga pala ako, initial approval is nasa 8,000 pesos. And then, ginamit ko na siya. And after I actually paid it off, binigyan ako ng increase ni Love It and naging 8,400 na yung credit limit ko. So, not bad, I think. In less than a month ko siyang gamit. Tapos nagbayad ako, automatic nagbigay sila ng increase. So, wala pa ako masyado share kasi nga, siguro mga 2 or 3 times ko pa lang siya nagagamit. Tapos binayaran ko agad. But it's good to know na nag-increase agad yung limit ko. The best part is meron din po silang grace period kagaya din kay Atome. It says 0% interest if you pay off within 40 days. Now, this is a little bit tricky kasi it has something to do with timing. So let me just talk more about that. Open ko lang yung Love It app ko dito. There are 2 things that you need to know. Merong 2 dates involved dito ha. Yung bill date mo at saka yung due date mo. Yung bill date mo is when your monthly statement is being generated. And yung due date is your deadline for paying your bill in full or if you want to split the bill. So if your bill date falls on the 5th and then you make your transaction on the 6th, which is first day ng new billing cycle mo, yung binili mo on April 6, for example, babayaran mo yan on the 15th but not sa April 15th kasi na-generate na yung bill for April 15th, diba? So, babayaran mo yan ngayon sa next month na, which is sa May 15. So, basically, 40 days. So, that's why I said it's more of timing. Kasi if nag-purchase ka on May 4, papasok yan doon sa bill date na May 5. So, babayaran mo yan agad on the 25th of May. Does that make sense? So, yun nga. So, I hope that makes sense. So, basically, to enjoy the longest interest-free repayment, you have to make your purchase on the first day of your billing cycle. So, kung bill date mo ay yung 5th, after the 5th, after ng bill date mo, if you make that transaction on that day, you can take advantage of the full 40 days interest-free na grace period nila. So, here is the big update. Love It finally launched their own physical card. So, nung nakita ko, may nag-comment kasi dun sa previous video ko na he's like waiting for his card. So, I checked my app right away and yun nakita ko nga dito, meron siyang limited edition offer. Be the first to get a physical card and then merong apply button. So, I clicked on that. Tapos nilagay ko yung address ko dito. But then, sabi dito, no suitable address, come later. And then, meron ding note na the physical card is currently supported in the limited areas. National Capital Region, NCR, Central Luzon, and Calabarzon area for now. Stay tuned for more service areas. So, it's a little bit disappointing, but it's good to know that they have already started rolling out this new feature. So, nasa exclusive phase pa sila ng physical card, but pretty soon, it's definitely gonna go nationwide na. So with this update with the physical card, physical shopping is also available now. So once meron ka na physical card, you can also use your LUVIT credit line to make purchases for in-store transactions. Pwede mo na siyang gamitin for your groceries or sa restaurant or kung saan mang shop na tumatanggap ng card payments. With the physical card launch, LUVIT is definitely going head-on against Atome and Salmon Credit in the field of credit line and buy now, pay later service. Dati lamang na lamang yung mga competitors niya in terms of the offline presence, yung mga physical or in-person transactions. But now with LUVIT's physical card, patas na yung labanan ng mga buy now, pay later services. So siguro palakasan lang sa mga features at approval rates. Actually, I think it's very exciting for us consumers kasi the more competition there is, baka the better services or offers they might have for us and hopefully lower rates. So for those who are from NCR, Central Luzon and Calabarzon area, check nyo na yung mga LUVIT apps ninyo kung meron na kayong apply na option to request for a physical card. And by the way, it's for free. As for the rest of us from other parts of the Philippines, antay-antay muna tayo. Let's watch out and keep our eyes peeled because for sure they're going to be rolling it out pretty soon nationwide. Just a question before we go. Is a 200,000 credit limit and 0% interest for 40 days enough para piliin mo si LUVIT over Salmon Credit or kay Atome? Let me know in the comment section and pag-usapan natin yan. So basically, that's it. Update lang po ito. And if you're still here and you like what you see, then please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Paki-share na rin po itong video na ito to someone who might actually need it. Thank you so much for staying until the end and I will see you in the next one. Bye!